Its vertical length is 14.1 decimeters.
Look at this. The outer surface has a columnar structure.
Its pore system is prismatic in morphology. Plesiosauria. Where's the nearest hospital? We need to x-ray this.
Well, you don't seriously think there's a live embryo in sight?
Well, we won't know till we take a peek, will we?
I think that hospital's a bit further from here. It was down tremendously deep.
What did you stand at, lads? Give us a hand. Dad?